Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
OnePlus is back, and OnePlus is back with two new phones, the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. We thought we will review them together so that it's easy for you to make a distinction between the two and figure out which is the best phone for you. Now, the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro. So what is common about both the phones? Both the phones have the brand new Snapdragon 865 processor from Qualcomm. That means it is the best processing power you can have on an Android phone. Also, both of them are 5G capable. It's another thing that is literally like something you don't have to think about because India still does not have 5G. Now, let's come to what's different. So, as you can see, the OnePlus 8 is a smaller phone. The OnePlus 8 Pro is about 6.7 inches and this is about 6.4, 6.5. Now, how is that different? It's not much of a difference actually because the chassis itself is more or less the same size. The OnePlus 8 Pro has curved edges, but it does not do any gimmicks with the curve. It is just there for styling. Now, there is one thing that you have to keep in mind about both the phones. Both the phones have excellent AMOLED fluid displays. This is, for instance, QHD Plus, and it is one of the best displays I have seen because of the color reproduction it is giving you. And this is 120 Hz compared to the 90 Hz on the OnePlus 8. Both of these are among the best displays you can buy, and if you're a gamer, you're going to really love this one. So what else is different? Now, this phone, the OnePlus 8 Pro, has 4 cameras and this has 3. Now, this is quite similar to what you will see in a lot of other phones, but it has a 48 megapixel main camera and it has a wonderful super macro mode, which I really like. On this one, you have 48 megapixels for your main camera as well as the ultra wide, and there is also a separate 3x optical zoom which can do a 30x digital zoom if needed. That is not there on the OnePlus 8. The OnePlus 8 Pro also has a 5MP color filter camera which will give you a lot of these new filters, including the controversial X-ray one which has been disabled on this phone for now. You will see maybe third-party apps use the 4th camera to come up with new use cases for the camera. Overall, I really love both the cameras, but the OnePlus 8 Pro has an exceptionally good camera, especially because of the 48 megapixel and the super macro, which is even better on the OnePlus 8 Pro. I remember Pete Lau, the OnePlus founder and CEO, telling me that he will not do wireless charging till he can bring it up to par with wired charging. You have always known that wireless charging has been slow, at least slower than wired charging. With the OnePlus 8 Pro, OnePlus is bringing in warp charging to wireless. So this phone can charge up to 50% in just about 30 minutes wirelessly. And that is a superb achievement for this phone and is unique to the OnePlus 8 Pro for now. So who should buy the OnePlus 8 and the OnePlus 8 Pro? These are both very good Android flagship devices, but this is clearly the better flagship and you will have to pay more for it. You are paying more for the better display, the better camera and the very unique charging capabilities. But both these phones are great and have similar processing power. Both of them have very good battery life, and this has about 4510 mAh, which could last you 24 hours of active use on even a 5G network. So you decide what are the features you want to buy and then figure out which is the best phone for you among the two, the OnePlus 8 or the OnePlus 8 Pro. But both the phones have a very good base which is at flagship level and is similar to what you will get in any other Android flagship. The best features are those that differentiate the OnePlus 8 from the OnePlus 8 Pro. You decide whether you want the OnePlus 8 or the OnePlus 8 Pro.